Are you in the aviation industry? Do you want to solidify your skill sets and earn credentials that will secure your future? Imagine a career where the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning. A career where only you could ground your ambitions. Avionixx Aircraft Solutions is the place where opportunities soar. A place where we bring aviation to the people. In this complex, high-demand field, having the right certifications could set you apart. No matter if you are seeking your FCC General Radio Telephone Operator License, your 107 Drone Pilot Certificate, or your FAA Airframe and Power Plant License, at Avionixx, our comprehensive and flexible certification programs will help you gain the knowledge and practical skills needed to succeed. Whether you're dreaming of flying planes, maintaining cutting-edge aircraft, or operating drones for innovative applications, the doors are open to endless possibilities at Avionixx, where we bring aviation to the people.